Hi, boys and girls. Today we're practicing our words again, and we're going to be doing ABC order or alphabetical order. And so remember, we look at the first letter of each word to start with. So I'm going to circle over here the first letter of each word. Remember, you do not need to write these words out right now. Just look to see that the first letter is what we're focusing on. Okay, so we have a word that starts with a B, one that starts with an F, a C, an H, and an A. And so we don't have any words that start with the same letter. So this week we're just focusing on that first letter to put these words in A, B, C order. So you need your journal and your pencil. So if you need to pause the video to grab those things, go ahead and pause. All right, so you should have gotten your supplies. And so let's think together. We're going to start with the letter A. So search down your list. See if you see a word that starts with an A. And you should spy a word that starts with an A. So go ahead before I write it. Go ahead and take your pencil and go ahead and write that word first on your list. And it's the word after. And so it's this word right here. So I'm going to go ahead and write it so you can check your list. But after starts with the very first letter of the alphabet. It starts with an A. Okay, and I'm going to cross it off my list. Okay, now we're going to look at the letter B. So look at your list. See if you see any word that starts with a B. If you do, go ahead and write it on your paper underneath after because we're making a list. See if you can read the word if you find it as well. And you should have found the word because. B starts with a B. B, E, C, A, U, S, and E. Okay, let's go to the letter C. So search, we only have three words left to look at, focusing on the first letter. Do you see one that starts with the letter C? If you do, go ahead and write it on your list. And you should have picked the word come. C-O-M-E, come, and I can cross it off my list. Okay, now I'm looking D. Do I see anything? Starts with a D. Remember, this is a B for because. We already used that. That is not a D. So we're looking at the word family and home. I don't see anything that starts with an E. F. Look to see. Family, home. And go ahead, find the word that starts with the F and add it to your list, which is the word family. Family. And then I just have one more word that starts with an H, which would be coming up next in the alphabet. And I'm going to write that word last on my list. H-O-M-E, which is the word home. Okay, so our words that we put in alphabetical order after, because, come, family, home. Say them with me. After, because, come, family, home.